In the Lorenzen Wright murder trial set to begin in September, we learned the jury will get to see and hear text messages and voicemails in court. Good evening, I'm Richard Ransom.
And I'm Katina Rankin. Wright's ex-wife, Shara, and Billy Turner are charged with killing the former NBA and Memphis Tigers basketball player. Their attorneys had hoped to keep those texts and calls hidden from jurors. Local 24 News senior investigator Jenny DiPrizio is in the studio with tonight's top story. Jenny?
Yeah, you know, the judge said even if he wanted to, there was no legal method to keep him from putting those text and phone calls admitted into trial. Excuse me, the judge said the wiretap of Wright and Turner's phone calls were legal.
We got a trial in September. Everybody's got to be real careful about what they say to y'all because we want to get a fair, impartial jury.
That is what the prosecutor said after court when asked about many of the specifics in what's called the probable cause affidavit. That's the document that allowed Shara Wright and Billy Turner's phones to be tapped. In court, we learned the affidavit is 90 pages long and lays out the case of Lorenzen Wright's murder. It says Shara Wright's cousin, Jimmy Martin, told police key information about the crime scene.
There was details in Jimmy Martin's statement with regard to the crime scene, including the cutting of a section of barbed wire, which hadn't been ever released to the public.
I think there is more evidence to suggest that Jimmy Martin's the murderer than there is Shara.
Lorenzen Wright was found murdered in southeast Memphis in July 2010. It took 7 years for Wright and Turner to be indicted. Given the high profile of this case today, the prosecutor said they will be asking the judge to sequester the jury.
It's important that the people that hear the trial, hear the proof, make their determination on the proof that's in front of them in court and not what they see on TV that night.
Now, at this point, no one is guessing how long it will take to seat a jury in this case. The judge did say this week he will give potential jurors a questionnaire, hoping to speed up the process. Live in the studio, Jenny DiPrizio, Local 24 News.